welcome you to my channel and to my one-on-one yoga postures for beginners. Today I'm gonna go through what we call in Kundalini Yoga spinal twist. There are a lot of spinal exercises in Kundalini Yoga. Most of them are dynamic exercises and they require a little bit of attention, so to avoid injuries or to avoid to feel nauseous or to avoid whatever we want to avoid. Spinal twist is a very powerful exercise, and if it's done correctly you can really move a huge amount of energy, both physically, energetically and spiritually. Physically, it works to really stimulate the liver and the spleen. And as you know, these two organs are related to anger issues, emotional issues of any kind. And especially the liver holds so much, should be filtering our toxins and send them to whatever part of our body needs to release the toxin out. For some reason our livers sometimes do not work correctly and we hold those toxins into the body and they are no good at all. Energetically, what happens is we also hold energetic toxins as well as the physical ones. So when we do the spinal twist, we have the chance to just free the body, at least energetically, and maybe physically the liver will be stimulated to work better to eliminate the toxin from the liver itself. Of course, you will be needing some extra help with a good diet or with some exercise, for example, but still the spinal twists are very, very powerful. So let's see how to do them correctly. Let's come back and sit in easy pose. As always, I suggest you to use a pillow to sit more comfortably if you feel, to elevate your hips and to help your knees to relax. Some people need to have some support under the knees. Then you can roll some towels and put your towels under each knee, or you can put two pillows under each knee, and some people use yoga blocks. I don't feel yoga blocks that comfortable since they are hard, but if you have them only available, then use yoga blocks. Otherwise you can roll a big towel and put them under each knee. Going to spinal twist is kind of easy. It's while you're practicing the spinal twist that it gets a little bit tricky, because people have the tendency to get high in this position. So we want actually you to be grounded and elevated at the same time. So it's not about feeling high or nauseous or discomfort. It's really about feeling grounded and elevated at the same time. So easy pose, your navel is kept engaged all the time. Engaged means that you pull your navel slightly in and up. It's very slight, it's nothing hard, it's just slightly in. Your heart is elevated, lifted up. Your chin is parallel and slightly tucked in. You have to open the neck behind so the energy goes up and it doesn't get stuck anywhere. So if you lift your chin, you actually create an arch behind your neck and the energy gets stuck there. That's also the reason why you feel nauseous or you feel kind of weird, okay? So chin is parallel and tucked in. Chin, navel is in and up slightly, lift your chest up. Open your arm and rotate your arm slightly back so the front of your elbows completely look up. So if you stretch your arms, your palms look almost forward. You have to rotate your arms in a way that your palms are facing up and your elbows, the front of your elbows are facing up completely. This forces your heart to be completely lifted up. Then bend your elbows and reach your shoulders with your hands. 4 fingers in the front, thumb in the back. This will allow you to hold your shoulder firmly. And look at my elbows. My elbows are always parallel, never down, never up, parallel. So let's go back. Navel in, chest up, chin in. Inhale, twist to the left. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. To avoid it to get nauseous or too high or dizzy, your eyes is mandatory to keep your eyes between your eyebrows. Like your focus has to be right in the center of your forehead. If you keep that focus, there is no way you get dizzy. It's really impossible because your eyes are always looking at one point, so they are not roaming around looking for a point. So when they are focused on one point, it's like you are not twisting your head. Also, one important thing is you don't twist your head. Your head don't go with your spine. Your head is just always in the same position. That's another trick that you can use not to get dizzy. If you don't focus your eyes and you move your head, you will definitely get dizzy. Back into position, we're gonna practice for a couple of times. Navel in, chest up, eyes focused toward the center of your forehead, elbows parallel, inhale left, exhale right. Important to keep your navel in. Shoulders down, do not lift your shoulder up, just keep your shoulders down. And to conclude, inhale, come back to the center, hold your breath in. Do not lift your chin. Do not release your navel. And then exhale. One more time, inhale. Try to stretch or elevate your spine as much as possible. Hold your breath in, lift your heart. And then as you exhale, you relax your arms down. Then you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for watching. And as usual, if you have any question, you can reach me on my website by going to my contact page. Or if you like, you can leave a comment below. And I will be happy to follow up with you and answer your questions. Thank you so much. See you next time. Namaste.